Imagine boarding a private jet so opulent it feels less like an aircraft and more like a royal residence floating above the clouds. Not just any private jet, but a $400 million flying palace, reportedly owned by a Dubai prince and styled in collaboration with Louis Vuitton. This is not transportation, this is power, prestige, and pure excess at 40,000 feet. From handcrafted leather interiors to private bedrooms, lounges, and dining spaces that rival five-star hotels, this aircraft blurs the line between aviation and ultra-luxury living. Today, we're taking you inside one of the most extravagant private jets ever created, a symbol of modern royalty, limitless wealth, and Dubai's obsession with redefining what luxury truly means. Welcome aboard the Dubai Prince's Flying Palace. While details surrounding the jet's ownership are kept deliberately discreet, aviation insiders and luxury circles widely attribute this airborne palace to a high-ranking member of Dubai's royal elite. In a world where privacy is the ultimate luxury, this secrecy only adds to the mystique. Dubai's royal family is known for commissioning the most extreme expressions of wealth, from gold-plated supercars to palatial estates and record-breaking aircraft. For them, a private jet isn't just a convenience, it's a flying extension of their status. This aircraft represents authority in motion, a place where global deals are discussed, heads of state are hosted, and royalty travels without compromise. Every square inch of this jet reflects that mindset. Nothing ordinary, nothing practical, without also being extraordinary. From the outside, the jet already commands attention. Based on a wide-body aircraft platform, similar in size to a Boeing business jet or an Airbus ACJ, it dwarfs most private planes on the tarmac. But once you step inside, the scale becomes even shocking. The ceilings are higher than expected. The corridors are wide, open, and designed to feel like a luxury penthouse rather than a narrow aircraft cabin. Lighting is soft and perfectly balanced, creating a warm, inviting glow throughout the interior. The layout is intentionally spacious, allowing guests to move freely without ever feeling confined. This isn't a plane you squeeze into, it's a palace you inhabit. The moment you notice the materials, it becomes clear why Louis Vuitton's influence is impossible to ignore. Custom monogrammed leather panels, hand-stitched seating, and bespoke finishes dominate the interior. The textures are rich and layered: polished wood veneers, brushed metals, soft leathers, and plush fabrics that feel more like a couture showroom than an aircraft cabin. Nothing here is mass-produced. Every surface is custom-made, from the armrests to the wall panels, designed to withstand flight while maintaining showroom perfection. Even the color palette reflects refined restraint: warm neutrals, champagne tones, and subtle gold accents that whisper wealth rather than shout it. This jet doesn't have seats, it has rooms. Multiple lounge areas are spread across the aircraft, each designed for a different purpose. One lounge is dedicated to relaxation, featuring deep sofas, oversized armchairs, and low tables perfect for casual conversations. Another space is configured as a formal dining area, complete with a full-size table capable of hosting high-profile guests mid-flight. Crystal glassware, fine china, and tailored table settings make dining at altitude feel effortless. Entertainment systems are seamlessly integrated into the walls, offering cinema-quality visuals, surround sound, and complete digital privacy. Whether hosting royalty, business partners, or family, every space adapts instantly to the moment. At the heart of this flying palace lies its most exclusive feature, the master suite. This is a full private bedroom in the sky, complete with a king-sized bed, one-con wardrobe, and private lounge area. The bed is oriented for maximum comfort during long-haul flights, with soundproofing that isolates the space from the rest of the aircraft. Adjacent to the bedroom is a luxury bathroom that rivals those found in elite hotels, featuring premium fixtures, a full vanity, and carefully engineered water systems designed for aviation use. This is not rest between destinations. This is living, uninterrupted, above the clouds. Behind the luxury lies cutting-edge technology. This jet is equipped with advanced communication systems that allow secure, global connectivity at all times. Encrypted communication lines, satellite internet, and real-time flight management systems ensure absolute control and privacy. Security features are equally impressive, designed to protect both the aircraft and its passengers anywhere in the world. The jet's range allows it to fly intercontinental routes non-stop, connecting cities like Dubai and New York without refueling. Despite its palace-like interior, performance is never compromised. Speed, stability, and efficiency remain at the highest level of private aviation. More than just a means of travel, this $400 million flying palace is a statement. It represents Dubai's philosophy that luxury has no ceiling. It reflects a world where wealth isn't just spent, it's curated, personalized, and elevated to an art form. For its owner, this jet isn't about excess for excess's sake. It's about control, privacy, and the ability